Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Udio AI music generator. So here we go. This is the overview of Udio AI music generator by Udio AI. Instantly create and download unique MP3 songs. So here Udio AI is innovative generative AI model to create music based on user input. And creating music, you can create your music, impact and feature, crafting your prompt, generate review, and so on. Let's try to add to Chrome and add extension. Wait for the process. Now here we go. Udio AI music generator has been added to Chrome. Let's click it, and here you can use a song description. Describe the style of music and topic you want. So let's try the New Year's and holiday. Or you can try random and first gender and create music. Generation may take about 3 until 5 minutes. Please wait patiently. And also you can use custom mode or instrumental. And also here you can continue with Google or upgrade in order to add remaining songs that you can create by yourself. So feel free to try to use Udio AI music generator. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also press the button below. See you in the next video.